is my shoe? Where is my clothes?
Hello, they welcome now come this program what they call Area Tori. Area Tori na the program where they come to now from Procyon radio and television. My name is Sarah Agbon. I dey with Gloria Enoch.
Una people, una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening.
All right, Gloria, you are welcome. You will they watch us with the welcome una. Please make una continue to they watch us. If you they watch us for the very first time, make you subscribe, like, share, and also drop your comments for us. And this particular program will they bring different story where they happen for area. If you also get story, just drop your number, drop for our comment section. Then we will contact you. Will tell us the story where you get. Today, story where will they carry come? Now the story of teachers where they like to take advantage of their students.
Yes.
This teacher, you know, say you senior this pikin don't know anything about sex. The pikin don't know anything about relationship. Because of that, you go just come to use small ways of your wiseness. Come they like to follow the child. It dey happen to male child, it dey happen to female child. Female teachers they do am. The male teachers they do am. Now so na two side e be. Then you wey know say you senior this pikin, you go come tell pikin say come go drop this book for me for my house. Male they do am well. As you send the girl say may you go carry your book go drop for you for house. The pikin no know anything. He go just waka say hey, he go dey even happy say my teacher like me na me he send.
They always say.
You understand? You know say these children they can happy if teacher they send them. They happy say hey, my teacher don't send me make I go drop. I dey go my teacher house. They happy. This pikin go finally find herself for your house. You will be teacher. Will be say you don't allow yourself make bad thing come through you. You go come follow this pikin quietly, come go house. As you don't reach house, before the pikin go enter drop book, you don't enter, you don't lock door. Now there you go come they drag this pikin, they warn and tell and say, no tell anybody this thing what I want to. No tell, if you tell anybody you go die. Children, as now they hear me, anybody will tell you say, if you tell somebody any bad thing wey him do to you, say you go die, you no go die na lie.
Na lie.
If they talk am because he know say if they catch am, they go deal with am.
Yes.
So you go just put that fear inside you. That is why it's good make parents they tell their children say anywhere you go, where you see say person touch you where you not supposed to touch you. Tell your parents no gree, even if na your teacher. Your teacher go tell you say you no go pass exam or him go give you 0, you go kill you or you go die. Na lie. Open your mouth, tell your parents. Your parents go meet am. Government get rules, they get law where they go take catch the person, deal with am. You know go fit do you anything. So today, now we dey talk. One guy for area. Now exactly what they tell you now you do to the girl. The girl come enter the house. Neighbors come hear the girl they shout inside house. Say they see these students enter the house with this book for hand. So they believe say now the teacher send them she won't go drop her. And then later they come they hear shout. Now one neighbor will be saying a single man he be. He say wetin carry the girl enter if she too no wants. You hear this kind of thing? You hear neighbor was supposed to call help pikin. He say wetin carry he say wetin carry the girl. They say all these small girls where you they see. You no know them, then sabi something pass big. No be all.
No be all.
Before this girl, somebody will come dey pass, go here and come rescue the girl. The man don already do bad thing with the girl. Neighbor come say, me I think say na the girl like her. I no know say by the time they see the girl body and her clothes, the way the man do am, now they come say, na small girl. No. Me I no know. Me I think say na the girl carry herself. Go say I even talk am say, wetin carry the girl enter the man house. If she dey shout, now she come dey shout like shout. Neighbors abeg una, make una dey also help. If you even see the pikin with your eye, you go watch am. See the time where the pikin dey come out. If you no come out, you knock. Bang, I see one student enter here. Wetin they do? You understand?
Yes.
If we dey do like that for our society, things go better. Things go better. But bad thing no go dey happen like that. Gloria, na so they come catch this teacher. The thing wey pay me there, they say, it don already do bad thing to this girl.
Don't really harm the girl.
You understand? So wetin you go talk about this kind teachers? If you be male, if you be female, wey dey do this kind thing?
My people, I will greet una again. This one na about our children and the teachers wey be say our children dey call them auntie and uncle. Una hear am so. Now we don make our children know say if uncle send you go in house, go keep book for me. Small time you say am come house, anything wey e do you for that house, any place e touch you, if you come house, tell your parents. Because you no go start one day. You go dey do am small till you reach when you go come do that one. So no come close your mouth. You go tell you say if you talk, you no go pass your exam, I go kill you. You no go kill you. Na lie, they treating you. They put fear inside of you. And then the auntie, you wey be auntie, you see person pikin, maybe na that kind 12 years, 13 years, 14 years, 15 years old boy, wey dey your class. You wey be woman, you wey be girl of 30, 20 something, you dey eye small pikin, you dey teach am bad thing. Pikin wey no get idea of any kind bad thing, those kind thing, na you go teach am. You go send am say, come see me in my house. The pikin go come. You go start to dey do am, teach am things wey you no suppose. You go reach house, you go comot cloth, wear transparent cloth, make pikin see your nakedness. You wey be auntie for school, you no shame. Uncle wey be say pikin dey call you uncle, na you go come call pikin. You enter house, you start to touch her body. Did you like it? Pikin go tell you say no, I'm afraid. Though you go say no, don't be afraid, I will not harm you. You go teach am what the pikin to do. Now you dey teach am. You don teach for school finish, you go dey teach am for house again. Na wetin make we bring this matter come here, because e dey happen. Our children dey talk. Few children wey no be all children spoil o. Most of the children dey go tell their parents for house. That is why you see say we know, and that is why we bring am come here to tell una. Say make una stop am. The day dey come wey be say law go catch una, e go become disgrace. Like that teacher now, disgrace don before him, and e dey inside wahala. Government don hold him. As una dey hear us dey talk, if una wey dey do, make una remove una hand from there, because if you no remove your hand from there, una dem go kpai una one day. Because as these children dey tell us for home, una dey do am. If not so, we for no sabi, we for no know.
And Gloria, you know say you get some careless parents wey be say your pikin go tell you say see wetin person do.
No go take action.
You go talk say abeg comot, you sabi lie.
Maybe na lie you dey lie.
Na lie you dey lie. Why you dey abeg comot for this kind place? Why you dey talk this kind bad thing? Abeg comot. You no go follow up to know wetin your pikin
tell you, to be sure of truth.
To be sure.
And this thing, I go add this one inside. Some parents, they go say, the teacher dey teach my pikin well. I go say you go that una uncle for una school house. Now you the mother.
Yes.
You go say the pikin say go the uncle house, carry this thing go give am. Because pikin don come tell you say the uncle dey good to am.
Yes.
You know why? No, you no fit ask pikin why the uncle dey good to am always. Your pikin talk say, hey, this my uncle like me. How uncle go like your pikin?
Only your pikin.
Only your pikin, and the rest children no like. So you parents too, una dey contribute to all this wey dey happen to the children too.
Shine your eye.
Shine your eye. Anytime your pikin bring matter for house, call us, ask am well. Sit am down. That's what you tell me that time I dey work. Now I don finish work. Come tell make I hear you well. He go tell you. If he tell you, put eye for that uncle. Put eye for that auntie. If you dey, you see the pikin report 1, 2, 3, go to the school. Meet the authority of the school. Report the matter too. If you say you go take your pikin, make your pikin, you go put your pikin for front, change school for am.
I saw them dey talk. Dem go say, you go put my pikin for front.
If you put your pikin for front, change school for am. Change school. School dey plenty. No go because of one person, you go spoil your pikin for you. If na get pikin, before you go know, you go make that pikin even wise than her age.
Yes.
You see pikin wey be say na baby for your eye o, but the things inside of the baby, e don pass her own age. Na because of wetin dem dey teach her. Abeg, that is why we bring this matter. Make una help us, make our society good. Uncle and auntie, abeg, we tell God beg you, we bring these children, make una teach them. We don't bring them, make una spoil them for us.
They pay you money.
And then they pay you
money.
Now
work, they say make you work.
Now work.
No be to destroy children.
No be to destroy our children. make una help us, make our society, make our area become good place, and good things go dey come out. No be so bad thing we go dey hear. Una help us.
At the end of the day, you go come say na devil work.
Devil
You
work
get many
dey o.
things wey devil go tell you at the end, talk say I no dey
Devil
there
no
when
dey
e
that
happen. E no dey. Devil go tell you say I no dey there o, I dey my own jeje, I dey pursue somebody, I no see you. Na you use your hand take do this one. So nothing like devil work. Hold yourself, be disciplined. If you are disciplined, devil no go even fit come.
No go enter
Wait, no be person wey make himself available for devil, na him devil go come. So if you make yourself available, we no wan make you make yourself available for our children. No way. So Gloria, I want to thank you again.
Thank you
today
very much
for the wise talk wey you carry come give us for Procyon radio and television. The program wey una just dey hear now na area tori, na im dey come una way. Abeg make una like, share, subscribe, make una also drop una comment for us. If you even get experience or you don see teachers wey do that kind thing before, make una let us know, so that we go carry the tori, we go also know how we go follow up those kind people. God go bless una. My name na Sarah Agbo. Make una dey shine like a star wey una be. Thank you.
Give me my salary, I want to